Hey there, welcome back to my channel. Hope you're all doing great. My name is Felix and today I'm going to do a field agent app review. And if you're here because you've been researching how to make money online using AI or game apps, filling out incomplete surveys, or looking for a side gig to supplement your income, or maybe even replace your full-time job, then you're on the right video and on the right channel. I'm here to make sure you're not getting scammed, you're not exposing your info to the wrong hands, or simply wasting your time or money. And we all know time is money and people do get scammed. Now, field agent has a fair amount of options as far as types of jobs you can actually receive. But overall, it's a mystery shopping / auditing app. Agents gather information for brands and retailers by taking photos, sharing opinions, and completing other tasks to ultimately help companies deliver the best products and experiences possible for the customer. So how does it all work? You need to be 18 years old to sign up to use the Field Agent app. Download the Field Agent app, reserve and complete a job, and Field Agent app people will check your submission and pay you real cash. Now, you're going to see tons of categories where you can receive jobs. Types of jobs you'll find in the app. Audits. You'll collect photos and information about in-store products, prices, and displays. Surveys. Answer questions about your shopping behaviors, attitudes, and experiences. Buy and tries. Purchase a new product, try it at home, and share your experience. Ratings and reviews. Buy a product, try it, and leave an honest review about it online. I Spies. Collect details and UPC codes about products available in store. Scavenger hunts. Report if and when you find specific products inside stores. Mystery shops. Collect information about your experience inside stores. Now let's talk about ways Field Agent pays you. The amounts paid for tasks you may participate in are ranging from literally cents to the maximum of $30 and everything in between. Before you can cash out your funds from the app, you'll need to link a bank account or prepaid card to your Field Agent app. Then verify the bank account. This process can be completed in app or online. The process may take 2 to 3 business days, not counting weekends or holidays. You need to have a minimum of $3 in order to cash out your earnings. So let's talk about pros and cons of Field Agent. Pros: complete jobs whenever you want at your discretion. Some jobs will give you free products to try out. Some jobs will pay you $30 for 30 minutes of work. You can complete tasks in different states if you're traveling, and you can get paid within a couple of days, pretty quickly. Let's talk about cons. Now, you can only get paid by a bank transfer. No PayPal or other apps. There is a $3 minimum threshold, as I said before, to cash out your money. Some jobs are extremely low-paying gigs. You have to constantly check up on the app not to miss any decent-paying tasks. Jobs are not always close by, especially if you live in rural areas. Now, Field Agent may sound like a fun gig to be involved with if earning a maximum of $30 per job is your thing, and maybe you're just bored, but I, for one, have a family to take care of and lots of bills to pay. So for me personally, it's really not worth it. And I will consider it a waste of time, which I can use much more productively and earn way more money than that. In fact, I can show you a way to earn money which could potentially transform your life if you really want that. Do you? But of course you do. Who wouldn't? And if this sounds like an interesting idea, then I'd like to tell you about my favorite strategy that earns $5,000 to $10,000 per month. I'd like to give it to you absolutely at no charge. Just learn and apply. I will place a link for this strategy in the video description box and pin it in the comment section. Just click on the link, enter the information where you want it to be sent to, and I'll send it to you right away, and you'll thank me later. And as usual, if you like this video, hit the like button below and subscribe to my channel if you haven't done it yet, so you can get more videos like this. And until then, have a great day, and I'll see you on another video review. Bye-bye.